Okay, so hello everybody. I am Mick. Oh, yeah, I am Mik-O-Less, and welcome to a new kind of stream. Today we will be going over mindfulness, what I have been learning in my group, the DBT group that I was talking about last video. So we're gonna go over. Let's see here. Alright, we don't have any guidelines in here, like on this video stuff, so, alright, can I actually get this turned? Alright, so mindfulness. So basically what mindfulness is you've got emotional mind, which is like all your feelings, like anger, happiness, and bad feelings aren't bad. Like, you have the right to feel. But you gotta make sure, and then there's reasonable mind, though, which is all the facts. Like, 1 plus 1 equals 2. That will never change. Never. And then if you got both of those at once, it brings you into something called wise mind, which is both actually combined in one. So, alright, let's see here. Okay. This skill is about balancing thinking and feeling. Alright, the original Star Trek series. If anyone knows what Star Trek is, it's like Star Wars but different. Captain Kirk is typically in a state of wise mind. Spock and Vulcan represents logic and thinking, a rational mind. McCoy, the Doctor, presents feelings and passion, our emotional mind, which is our emotional mind. Kirk takes information from both the logical and feeling perspective to act in his and others' best interest. But we'll go. So there's three specific things that go into. Hang on, there's bad light. It's bad lighting right here. Hang on. Let me turn a little bit. There we go. Is that better? I could probably turn a little bit more. Let's see here. I don't need the mouse right now. So I think I'm good. Okay. Is that better? Hopefully that's better. But okay, so basically what there are three what skills. So there's observe. Hang on, let me get a drink of coffee. So there's observe, which means have a Teflon mind, just noticing what is going on inside and outside. Start by focusing in the here and now. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future. Just be in the be present right now. If thoughts come in, notice them and then let them go as if you were watching clouds floating by. So basically, you gotta look and pay attention to the way that that you're feeling and thinking. Don't think of what's in the past, because the past is in the past for a reason, and you can't change that, and you can't do anything about the future. I guess you could, but to me, I think you can't do anything about the future yet. You can prepare for it now, but the main gist of this: focus on yourself right now. You're thinking, you're feeling, and if you observe, like, imagine, have you ever looked at the clouds, like it said, and tried to make shapes out of it or whatever? That's observing. That's actually observing. Like distracting yourself is what it is too. But anyway. And then there's describe. Describe is put words to the experience. When a feeling or thought comes into your mind or you do something, recognize it. For example, say in your mind, I feel sad or my heart is pounding. Describe only what you are observing, put a name on your feelings, say a thought is just a thought or a feeling is just a feeling. Don't get stuck in the meaning. So basically, that means just describe how you're feeling, like it said, and be specific and recognize. That's where you can also use observe and observe it, describe it, and then there's one more, which is participate. This skill is about participating. About no, hang on. This skill is about participating fully in one activity at a time. It is about being active and involved in your life. Fully participating may mean that you have to challenge yourself to come out of your shell, face your fears, or combat your impulse to withdraw. Try not to worry about tomorrow or yesterday. Throw yourself into what is happening right now. Dancing, singing, cleaning, working. Just don't do dancing in the shower, okay? You'll fall. But anyway, um, yeah, but got a protein shake. But yeah. So basically, all of that is telling you is telling you about how to deal with things. What you have to, what the 3 what skills are to deal with things or to change things. God, I hate menthol. That's what this is. This is menthol. I mean, I'm not a fan of it. Like now, I could use I'm using I'm describing to you that I don't like this that much. But I'm participating right now too, talking to you guys. I'm staying in the moment. And then let's see if I'm doing the last one too. And the first one is observe. I'm observing the pages to tell you guys. I'm describing to you guys what's in the book. So, I'm describing to you guys what's in the book. So next, we got non-judgmentally. Put in the comments what you guys think being judgmental is. Okay? Then we'll come back to that. So in this we're gonna talk about that. You guys are putting it in the comments what you think judgmental is, like being non-judgmental is as well, and whoever gets it right gets a shout out on here. If all of this goes right, if you guys like this, don't worry, I'm planning on doing it whether it gets likes or not. Okay? So if you guys are interested in learning about this, then feel free to just leave a like, Subscribe if you want more. I will be doing this. I will try and do this today, all of it today, or most of it at least. But there's a lot in here. Right now we're at mindfulness. But you guys remember when I played Grounded, right? I'm just asking that question. Anyway, taking hold of your mind, how, and these are how skills. So this skill, so this is effectively. This skill is about being as specific as possible. It is focusing on what is most useful. So it is about keeping your eye on the ball and not sweating the little stuff. It is about balancing short-term and long-term goals as well as what is important now. It's doing what works instead of doing what we feel like doing and regretting it later. Do what needs to be done in each situation. Stay away from fair and unfair, right and wrong, should or should not, and should not. Let go of wanting to punish unless anger is always having to be right. It can hurt you and it doesn't work. Basically, and then there's a picture of ants lifting a stick. So, let me show you. Right there. Ants doing lifting a little stick. So, yeah. But yeah. So that is mindfulness, and now we'll go back to non-judgmentally. Non-judgmentally. Being non-judgmental is about not assigning a value to yourself or others, such as being good, bad, terrible, or unlovable. Making judgments or assigning value to yourself or others causes unnecessary distress and discomfort. See, but don't form an opinion. Take a non-judgmental stance. Just the facts, man. That's literally what it says. Just the facts, man. And then one mindfully. And then we'll be done. It is more effective to do one thing at a time, focusing on each thing by itself, than to move on to the next thing before you've finished with the first. This can be done slowly or quickly depending on the task and your energy level. Do one thing at a time. When eating, eat. When playing a game, play. When engaging in self-care, dedicate yourself to self-care. When at work, focus on the task at hand. When using a skill, invest in doing just that skill in the moment. So that's participating, basically. That's a way of participating. So if this mindfulness section helps you out, I'm glad I could help. Use those skills to help you every day. We will go over emotional regulation. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna leave that there. If this helped you, I'm glad I could help by reading this. Use all of that to your advantage. That's what I'm learning at DBT. And this is a DBT binder. This is a binder. All this stuff in this binder is what I got from DBT. So Now, next time, I am going to ask you guys if you guys remember the three stages of mind are. And in the comments, if you want, you can put what three states of mind, what mindfulness is. But wait until the end of the episode if you can. And then underneath in the comments, what are the three states of mind that I read? And if you're right, then I will shout out to people that are right, to the top people that are perfectly. If you can get it perfect, I'll do a shout out. So, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this, if you guys enjoyed this, and if it's useful in general, if it's actually useful, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, put the question in the comments. Put any question about mindfulness in the comments below. And as always, stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you guys next time. Have Mik-O-Less problems, and until I see you again. So, where's the mouse? Bye-bye!